What are you willing to give up to be the one?
My name is Darryl B. Hampton. Welcome to the channel. Stay tuned for this important lesson. Subscribe. Let's get it.
I let people know you gotta be walking around here all that tiptoeing and all that stuff. The Bible says, wicked three will no man pursue. Christ is all boys of lying. I've never heard a lion say, I've never heard that before. Matter of fact, a lion don't speak. And so that means when he do speak, it gathers all the more attention. Talk about bridling your tongue. A lion keeps quiet. Have you ever seen a documentary? The lion sitting there chilling, his cub sitting there bothering him, biting on the ear. He just knocking the cub over with his paw. Like, come on, babe, just chill out. Never speaking, nothing. But let something go wrong. You watch a documentary about lions long enough, you think the lion can't speak. You forget that they roar. But even you on your sofa, when you hear that lion roar, you get attentive. You're like, oh, what's going on? What's going on now? As a matter of fact, when a lion's quiet, people begin to worry. When Jesus was dead quiet, when Pilate was talking to him, Pilate didn't know what to do about that. He didn't know what to do about that. Man, you ain't gonna try to sit there and talk yourself out of this. You ain't gonna say nothing. As a matter of fact, his silence was so detrimental that the minute he found out that he belonged to another jurisdiction, he began to move. He said, okay, let's see Christ that way. Immediately. Because he didn't want that problem. That was a man of authority. But the silence left him stricken with fear. And they know if your silence is of a fearful silence or if it's a, I don't play that silence. It's two different silences out there. Because during the midst of all that, Jesus said, well, hold on, player, let me correct you right now. You've been talking, I've been letting you speak, but you just said something I need to correct instantaneously. No one takes my leg, I lays it down. So when he spoke with the utmost authority. He didn't let things go by. So the enemy could try to use it later on. Well, you remember when I said this? He ain't saying that. His silence was a admission of guilt. That was a liar. Say what you want to say, trying to figure the situation out. But the minute you sit there and say something blasphemous, that people just could kill me, the king, Lord. The Bible says he do for you exceedingly abundantly on what you ask or think. He's like to call down legions of angels. Well, he will have thought it. And let you know that his mind was still in that peace. Because God would do that for you. What would he do for himself? If he say, you thinking about it. Matter of fact, we've all been blessed thinking about something, wanting something to be in our heart, and not even saying nothing, and then it just appear. Like it just happened. Like. Then you come across that scripture and say, wait a minute, the Lord say, things that you ask or think I do exceedingly abundantly. You know that think part, because everybody say, ask me, you hear all I'm saying scriptures over and over again, but 9 times the Lord going around there showing off so much that he around here doing things based on how you thinking about it. Lord, I really want. Well, that will be so nice. Then my community, hey man, I did a little extra blah blah. I decided to get this for you. What? That's the Lord working right there. Because you thought it, he manifested. Just to let you know, I'm still here. I'm still God. So probably be glad that Jesus was a masculine man. That his thoughts ain't running off trying to hide his mind. His thoughts was too precious. He could think death upon somebody. So he had to be in control of his thoughts. Hard to do with all that music blaring in your head, all that pointing on your mind. Hard to have control of your thoughts that way. Well, them scriptures becoming life sometime. Bible lyrics say you think he do it for you exceedingly abundantly. So that means Jesus didn't even think about legions of angels coming down. He tell you make sure that they knew that this could be. And I bet you probably believed him. Because I don't think I saw nobody throughout the whole Bible work as hard for Christ as Pilate was trying to get him off that trial. And he wasn't even a man of God. So a righteous boldness gets you a long way. That's the difference between that cop sitting there going hard on you and pulling you out your car and speaking to you politely. Him realizing that, wait a minute, this ain't the one. What are you willing to give up to be the one? What are you willing to give up to be the one that people look at and say, hey, this ain't the one to play with? Are you willing to give up a little time every day to read at least a song, good song in your heart? Or are you willing to give up a lunch break to say, let me go out and pray? I don't need to eat every day. Are you willing? Are you willing to say, you know what? This right here, this is bothering my spirit. I don't need to finish this show. I'm gonna stop it while I'm ahead. Are you willing to say, you know what? I don't need to watch TV every day. Now, even if I don't got nothing to do, let me just get my mind clear. Just keep the Lord want to drop a thought. But you willing to give up? Because the Bible says he'll make even enemies be at peace with you. And I guarantee there's many officers that pull you over with a wicked intent in their heart. But they walk upon you, and you might not be mean mugging. You might be smiling and styling. But what that thing that's on you, because that lion ain't always mean mugging, but I guarantee you that gazelle look 3 or 4 times. Not twice, no, that ain't right. The gazelle, he got to look at least 6 or 4 times. That lion is not chilling. That lion trying to get himself like, man, keep looking over here, bro. You keep looking, I am gonna pounce on you. Go about your business. He ain't owe that meaning. He ain't in no pounce position. He just sitting over there chilling, probably playing with the family. But yet the gazelle that walked by make sure that give all respect due to he that deserves it.